What's going on, guys? It's Decelation. I know I haven't talked to you guys in a long time. I know this video is long overdue, but we took some time. We organized the shop. I know you guys don't like those type of videos, but we sorted out, I believe, the overheating issue. Now let me tell you, right there, our headers are putting a lot of heat on the oil cooler. And we did a lot of decelation on that. Moved the intake from right behind the radiator fan. We got a transfer as well. Let's see how the trade is doing. Not bad. Now the truck's been running for about 20 minutes at idle, no fan on it or anything. And we're at 212, which I've seen factory vehicles that I have being hotter than that, idling at this. So I think we've sorted out the cooling system. I'm gonna let it idle and see how long it takes for it to get to a temperature that I'm not really comfortable with. But as you see, it's sitting out in the sun right now. Come on, focus. Yeah, there we go. Sitting out in the sun. It's like 85 degrees outside. And it is just sitting here idling, happy. We changed out the alternator. We were getting low voltage right there. Now we're getting 14.6 volts with all the fans running. Exactly 20 minutes right now, and we're only at 213. We used to get to like 220, 230 in like 5 minutes. So this is making me real happy, guys. Like this, once we get this going, we'll do some street testing on it. Since it's already street legal, I can just take it on the street, get it running. And we had fixed this, and then I had O2 sensors filled, and the whole map was out of whack. So I replaced the O2 sensors, and sounds good. Makes me real happy, guys. I'm back, and the truck is back. Now it's time to do some cool stuff with it. Pretty stoked about this. Let's see where we're at. Look at that, boys. 2:15. And we're at 21, 22 minutes. Just idling with no fan. Whew. I'm happy, guys. I'm ecstatic. Alright, thank you guys. Just a quick little update video. Let you guys know we're back. We're going to keep working on this, and we're going to get some more content out to you guys. Have a good one. Peace.